In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Windows display size too big. It's a quick guide, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now, let's say the display is way too zoomed in. You're seeing your desktop icons, any text, any applications you open, much bigger than you would usually want to. So what you want to do is right click on your desktop, go over to display settings, which is always going to be there. Now, all you got to do is go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to see scale, and you're also going to see display resolution. Now, if either of these are basically like very high, so they might be on like 125, 150, or anything higher, you basically want to switch it to 100%. Just make sure it's on recommended, because that is exactly what you want, and then you'll be good to go. And yeah, so just put it on whatever is recommended for you, and then that's it. You'll be fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you don't know about yet.